Hey YouTubers, I'm back. Randall with BB Kearns All In. I just want to talk to you a little bit about our rainwater collection project. We're working on episode 3, our video 3. It's coming along real good. You'd be surprised from where we started at to where we are. We pretty much got a lot of the construction done. We're kind of wrapping it up. You're gonna see this video number 3, and then I'm gonna say the final touches for video 4. Video 4 is gonna contain us actually placing the container and its cabinet in place, and then doing the plumbing from the roof through the guttering system to get into the tank, and then we'll be able to start collecting. Sad part about it is it's done rained several times, and we're having thunderstorms that are kind of slowing down construction a little bit to get me to that final stage. But so I'm missing out on some of this rainwater. But so just stay tuned, and hopefully you enjoy the video, and we'll see you for episode 3. This is video number 3. Thank you. Subscribe and hit the like button, please. Hey guys, Randall back with BB Kearns All In, Homestead. Well, we're trying to do the best we can to wrap up the water collection project. Right now we're still trying to build the cabinet and finish that. We had some camera issues, so we're back on track now. But just to let you know, what I'm doing is I'm cutting the sides and the front paneling or outside to kind of like a cabinet to actually hide the water container, so that it kind of blends in with the house and all. And I got this old wood from a friend of ours who didn't want it anymore, and I appreciate that. And you know, just to let you guys know, he has a channel too. It's called Brad's Way. Check him out, you'll like him. He does really good videos, he has really good content. But for right now, I'm just going to get back to it, because today I'm trying to get everything wrapped up and get ready to cut the door for the valve that goes in the front and the back, so that the next time I'll be able to come back and just set it into place, and then we'll go into the piping and getting the rainwater to run in there. But just stay tuned to us, and keep an eye out and watch how it goes. Thank you for watching. That was our first cut, because the side pieces are 61 inches long, and as you can tell, I'm going to go up just to the top. I'm not going to put a roof on there, but I'm making the walls in the front go as high up enough to cover the whole tank, where when somebody walks by, they don't know there's a tank in there. Just to make it a little bit more decorative for everybody. But you know, I want to tell you a little bit about a buddy of mine. Been a buddy of mine, a real true friend of mine. Give you the shirt off his back. Well, this time he didn't give you the shirt off give me his shirt off his back. He gave me the hat off his head. Bro, aka Curtis Watkins, you the best, bro. Watch there. Woo woo. Me and you tighter than 2 ticks on a hound dog, bud. Because this is old barn wood, it'll split as soon as you go to try to put a screw or a nail or anything in it. So what I'm doing is I'm pre-drilling holes at already marked destinations. On the left side, closer to the front, it's going to be 3 inches from the end, and then on the back side it's 4 inches from the end where we come in. That way everything's lined up and the screws fit. We drill holes and everything goes good. want to let you guys know, sometimes these old boards are warped, they're bowed, but for what I'm using for them, they're great. I mean, they look good, they fit, but sometimes the screws that I already had aren't quite long enough. So what I do is I'm going back and put one big long screw in to hold them, and it just, you know, it's great, it works. I don't have to worry about one little screw giving out and, you know, the whole board coming off. But just to let you know, it's like scraps. Whenever I got done with a project, had a few left over, and that's kind of like what I do. I always try to keep scraps left over. Whatever's left over on one project's always good for another. Hey guys, the front piece, just want to tell you, it's cut 53 inches, and we're going to drill holes and put screws in at 3 inches from both sides to help hold it. That's just the measurement was for the front side. As you can see, we've got one side all the way up to the top, and now we're going to work on the front, and then we're going to go to the left side. Hey guys, there was something that I've been wanting to tell you, but I've waited for the perfect opportunity while we was building this project and using this old wood. I just wanted to tell you that this old wood is over 100 years old, okay? But there's one thing specific about it. I've been getting stuff all over my hands, which is a secret. I know what it is, and some of you are gonna guess what it is, but without evidence, I wanna show you evidence of how old these boards are, but how good they are and how long they're gonna last, because they're still holding sap. And if you can look real close at this spot right here, I'm gonna fix it so you can see it. Adjust the camera a little bit, sorry about that. But that right there, what you're seeing, that darkness, when the sun hits it, you might be a little bit of a glare on camera, I can't really tell right now, but that right there is sap. And these boards are old. If you look at them, you can tell that's the sawmill cuts in them when they were actually cut on a sawmill. It's just a wonderful thing. That's one of the things that are just great about this kind of wood and doing these kind of projects. Just, you know, little significant things like that. And I'm just gonna get back to my project. I just wanna let you guys know that, but again, thank you for watching. I'm glad you guys got to enjoy that. Hey guys, off camera, I had somebody come up that I had to talk to, so I had to get off the camera, but I was able to mark out my door, and that's what we're doing right now is we're cutting. We're gonna cut out the hole right here, and then we're gonna make a door to go with it, cover it all up so it's a nice door. I just haven't decided yet which way we're gonna go up with the door, or if we're gonna go left or right to open up the door, and you'll just stay with me. Alright guys, well, there's a hole. And now we gotta make a door. Hey everybody, this is Randall with BB Kearns All In. I'm back, still working on our rain water collection project. just to let you know, we're working on the door today to the cabinet, and we're going to be cutting. We've already cut the door. Now we're going to be cutting the frame out and putting it together and getting it ready. I've got just a few hours before it's going to start raining, and got just enough time to do that. Then we're going to work on a little bit of the molding to go with it. So you guys stay tuned. All right. Hey guys, I haven't really been talking much on this video, so I'm going to bring you guys over here and show you and talk to you a little bit about how far I got along. Last night I had to quit early because I was getting tired and it was getting late, but I was able to get the door frame. I was able to cut the doors, and I finally decided on going with 2 doors that are going to open left to right, and instead of 1 door just sliding or going up and down. I just think it looks a lot cooler. It looks like some engineering and some talent went into it, and believe you me, I did awesome. But just check it out. I got to go get a few knobs. I don't know, I'll probably use screws to start off with, but basically it'll just push to about that right there for the handle on one side, and that and the handle for the other side, which is plenty of room to turn around and be able to get hooked up to the nozzle that'll be there, and then it'll just as easily close with no problems. I'll pull on the little handles that I'll put on there. Haven't quite decided on what kind of handles I'm going to put on there, but yeah. Anyway, now it's time to move on to fixing a little bit of cosmetic issues about the corners to make it look a little bit better. Put a little bit of strips there to make it, you know, just give it a little bit of extra look to it. But you guys stay tuned because I'm not done yet. Thank y'all for watching. Hey guys and gals, what I've had to do is I've had to call for my lovely assistant to come help me cut these long boards to go on there just to finish up and make it a little cosmetically look a little bit better. But you know, sometimes you got to call on help. Come on, sweetheart. I remember you got to stand to the side of it. I got to cut this at least twice going down, okay? Alright. So, when we start out, you're going to bring that end right here to the front and stand right here, and then you're going to walk that way as you hold it, and I'm going to come into it with it because it's so long. Hey YouTubers, this is Randall with BB Kearns All In again. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about the episode, but if you just stay tuned and watch the video, I think you'll find it exciting. And just if you like it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you.